Hi everybody, this is oorNews. Now, fit as hated is get yourself along to fine-tune.oornews.co.uk. Fit we is an oorNews Scots dictionary with all the words that we hear on oorNews. And you can look at it by frequency, alphabetical order, whatever. You can hear a rake through it. The other thing that we can do now is put this dictionary to ease with marking the articles. Say, anybody that's interested in screeving for oorNews, let me ken, and I'll get you an account. And Kenneth, there's hundreds of press releases from all around Scotland that ging unreported. So again, there's good news. And we're just not getting tell about it. But you can get folk tell about all the good news around Scotland. Again, for all his press releases. Okay, now when do you think, because it looks a wee bit political, with news, we try to head off with politics. This looks pretty good. So University of Glasgow set to lead multidisciplinary centre for niche generation of nuclear scientists and engineers. I'm half interested in nuclear engineering, so let's have a look at this. So what it'll do is it'll take the press release and put together an English article for it. And you're best off going and checking for that, and I'll do that after this. Just marking sure it's right. But for there, it'll mark the Scots translations. Now, Fitterhay is a fine-tuned LLM that's based on all the articles in oorNews. But if it's having problems with is it can hallucinate, it can mark up words, and that's nice. So Fitterhay is I hate to spend time marking sicker that the translation is right, but that's still quicker than doing the whole thing from scratch. Because what I'm about is just try to speed up getting more high quality Scots to just do more training until you get to a point where you've got an automate Scots auto-translate, and this is what we're trying to get to. But it'll take a lot more folk and a lot more words to get to an alpha-guide Scots translation. But for now, it'll have just do translations in my own style. But as you can see, it'll take a minty. You can see it for three variants of Scots that we have on oorNews at the moment. Well, anybody that's been reading your news, you'll see I haven't really been doing anything with the Central Scots and the Shetlandic, because I'm sick of it's somebody that speaks Central Scots to come and help with us. But if I get to the North East Scots scene, so if it'll do is it'll put and read on a thing that's nae in our training database. So again, this is actually a word I'll probably accept, because I kind of think a better way to say this in Doric and doctoral. But anyway, so I'll go through and check the words that didn't match. And yeah, a wee table here